Hey everyone, welcome to a Good e-Reader unboxing video. My name is Michael.
This is Peter.
Today we have here the Onyx Boox Max2 Pro. Now, let's talk about like the retail packaging. You can see that this e-reader looks like it's black, but the actual unit itself is white.
You have to make very sure that you look at the back, and you can zoom in on this and pause the video at any point. Excuse about the reflectivity, there's a plastic on it. It does say color white on there, so although the front is black, make sure you look at that on the back.
Yeah, so this is considered the limited edition, and the big difference between this and the normal Max2 is that this has double the storage space.
Yes.
So it has 64 gigs of internal storage, and the RAM has been doubled, so this has 4 gigs of RAM, whereas the normal Max2 only has 2.
Just gonna open this for the first time on camera here. This is a gigantic box, one of the biggest retail boxes of any e-reader we've ever seen. Absolutely mammoth box. Pull off the sleeve.
So you can see like an embossed Boox logo here.
That's right, that is really high quality. The box has a nice pattern to it, piano finish Boox logo. On the inside of the box is felt to protect the device because it is a very large screen. If something pushes down in the middle, they've put this protective layer to protect the device. We're going to put this off to the side just for a moment here while we explore the rest of the box. So we have
these little pull tabs.
Yeah, you've got to be sure to not break it there. So this is the USB cable. USB cable is white as well, commemorating the limited edition. They're using micro USB on this one, not USB-C like their newer devices like the Nova and some of the Note line. Opening this box here. You have a micro HDMI cable going to full HDMI. This is for the second screen feature on this device, which we'll show you in the full review. And a Wacom stylus, 2 buttons, one on the back, one on the front with a tip. And removing the rest, they always give you a nice case with the purchase of a Max because you need to protect your investment. This is a felt case. You can see it just opens up like this. It's very malleable. It's not a hard case. You have to make sure you maybe get one online if you're worried about that. Some documentation and a screen protector as well. So you have the user manual and a warranty card. Hold on to the warranty card if there's anything wrong with your device. The user manual just kind of lists things that are inside the device and how you should turn it on, what buttons to press. It does come in English and Chinese, so if you guys lose your warranty card or your user manual, you can simply view it right here. So this is the device itself. As Mike mentioned, it is white, limited edition color. You get a more button, directional buttons or a page turn left and right, a back button, nothing on any of the sides, keeping it very clean. You do have a nice little white leather stylus loop, which is really cool. Everything happens down here at the bottom. You have microphone, micro HDMI, micro USB, 3.5mm headphone jack, and a power button with a built-in light for indicator. And then on the back you have all the information, the raised paint for the logos, and a single speaker.
The Max2 Pro is considered a limited edition because it's Onyx's diamond anniversary, which is their 10-year anniversary. The main reason why you would buy this, aside from all that, is that there's very few large screen e-readers currently on the marketplace. It's for casual users, it's for power users, and Bluetooth will ensure that you could hook up like musical instruments like foot pedals, external keyboards, external mice. The sky's the limit with Bluetooth. So if you want to learn more about the Max2 Pro limited edition, be sure to stay tuned to youtube.com/goodereader for a full hands-on review of this. My name is Michael.
This is Peter.
Everybody take care.